Me viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ever Slick. Tie up your belly. Make sure say you have food in your belly. Alright, me viewers, welcome back to my channel. Laugh and Relationship TV. It's got to be. Alright, this time around, food. When it comes to food, have to be careful when it comes to food, me viewers. Make we watch what go on. Them brother ya. No, sir. Them different. Alright. Check out the clip, my viewers. Ready? Food. Yeah, you there woman I eat food. And your friend them a come. No, sir. It no look good at all. Boy. It must smell. You think the man I eat that the man smell food? 13 hours gone, me people. That's how long them a wait. 18 hours. Night come down, you know. Day the light out, rooster crow. The man determined say he nah give them none of the food, you know. Then gone at them bed 23 hours gone, me people. This no look good. Short man smell the meat. Alright, daylight again, you know. 8 hours after daylight again, you know. The boss they bathe. And the food still cover up, you know. Short man mean to say nah left, so he go bathe too. Me no wrong your short man. Go and go bathe. Watch how the man mouth long. What you mean? No bathe. Food you no want. Food. Oh dad. Watch ya. 18 hours again. Night come down. Mosquito bite short man torment. Boss can't get to eat the food, man. My God. I go take place here now, me people. Watch out. Dog come and hit the food, me people. Dog eat out all the food. Watch out now. Is a man will love cry now. The smell and short man looking for food done, yes man. Boy man be mean but not so. Watch ya. The Rasta come and pick up the food again. Alright. Watch out for the new segment, my viewers. Watch ya now. Man have money. Watch ya now, my viewers. Hide off the money, you know. Him hide off the money. Yeah? Nice girl that come, so him hide the money, you know. Yes, money. You don't have none. Man. Him, oh, I'm got some silver him have. Yes. Watch short man. You think short man I idiot? Short man know where money there. Short man, go watch your money. Acha. Short man, truly pub. Right, short man, wash. Don't buck up your money doing no short man. No trouble the man money, no. I try him out long. Hey, shorty. What did take place? Hey. Alright, shirt up on the line. Yes, sharp man. Take out the pants, but don't make the money drop out. Alright. Yes. Time to go check your money, boy. Watch ya. Watch him out. Watch ya, shorty. Come on, short man, you take out the money. No, sir. Then how money could I go so quick? Man, I in love cry, you know. God have mercy. Me Papa Jesus. Yes, no. Take back your silver, me boy. Watch a shot man the money. Oh, wrong pants. You take your put in a different pants. Watch out. Go for your money, boy. Run him down. Go for your money. Yeah, shot, yeah. For them, boy. Rasta come back. And what they go on? Food I go cook. Alright, my viewers. Look out for the new. Alright, you know. See that? Tailor. When you go at tailor, you know, if you eat too much food, your belly go over full. Yes? Right. Pants measurement right, you know. Pants measurement right. But wait. Shorty go fix him up. Alright. Shorty go check your measurement and change your measurement. Yes, Taylor. Hey, the Taylor bad enough. Alright. Come on, Shorty man. And your time now, Shorty man. Chop. Come short man. Yes, wrong measurement. Jesus God no. Me sorry for bigger. Bigger pants can't fit again and his shirt too big now. Put in tuck in your belly. Bigger tuck in your belly. Alright, Shorty. Watch ya now. Hey, Taylor boss, you know. Swear say, collect your money, me boy. And you're done, take your measurement. Yes? Run away. You so that. What do you mean? Yeah? Material, don't spoil it, you know, boy. Alright, bigger they come, bigger they go out now, you know. Him and the girl will go out, you know. So he come in nice suit. Yes, bigger. Try it on before you leave the shop. Anything can go wrong when you reach home. How are they going? That too bigger. Watch out now. The shot swallow him. My God. Bigger kill him now, you know. Wrong way, Jamaica. Shot one guy. What a man to cry. Get back your money. I think it's funny how many clothes I know. I think shot man idea. Shot man girlfriend want clothes. Watch there. Good there. I am in shop, man. So you mean, you get a suit. Did the Rasta come back? Make sure no glass no inside it. Alright, my viewers, watch out for the new clip coming after this. Alright? Yeah? Watch this now. Man pretend to be sick. Man a flu. Man becomes baby again. baby competition. Oh God, Shawty, you're sick. You're sick, you have flu, you don't have no shirt. Alright, baby. Your baby sick. Yes. Your baby sick again. Yes. Alright, Shawty. Yeah. Who's next? Oh, you mean bigger? Try it out, bigger, see if it work your way. Alright? Maybe you ask me, I have to go try that. Yeah. When me dey home, I don't want to do nothing. Yes. Oh, you mean? Sharp, man. Try it out bigger. Knock on the door now. Yeah? Yes, no. The bigger flow too. Yeah. But not everybody have luck, you know. Not everybody have luck. Him not have no luck. Oh God, me sorry for you. Me don't want to find out too long or what, but watch out now. Watch out. Go on, man. Go on, long mouth. Go on, go try it. Go on, go try it, fish mouth. Go on, go try it. Yes, fish mouth. Make sure say well hot. Alright. Hey. Alright, you know the thing. Yes. Bear it, man. Bear it. Yes. Put it on back, man. Alright now. Alright, fish mouth. Come on, left them alone and go and go look about your business, man. Yes. But you're not tremble. Fish mouth, you're not tremble. Oh, he start tremble now. Yes, me people, he start tremble now. Watch out now. Watch out. No, man. You think it's a woman, you're an idiot. Someone you're no idiot. If you have flu, you don't want no food. Watch out now. What the food you want? Right. Go for one, cause I flew him up. One injection. Oh, you're so bad lucky. Oh, God. What it big and short, man. It rust alright. More food I go cook. Alright, me viewers. My name is Ever Slick and I'm out. So see you in the next one.